these independent videos so that way I can spark somebody's mind. Somebody out there can do something great, and especially my people. I want to spark your mind and let you know that you don't necessarily have to work for someone else. You can have a business. You can start out small and end up big, or end up where you're winning, and you don't have to worry about the big name. But I give you this game for free, and I show you different things because I wish I had someone to show me. I have already hit my head several times. That's why when I show you different things and I want to motivate you, because I've been there. You know, I was that kid always waiting on my dad to come pick me up, and he never came. And my mama telling me, you know, it's going to be all right. So I looked to the streets, and I had a bumpy road because I was looking for guidance, and I ain't had, the people around me can only give me what they had. You know, they could only give me how to gang bang. They could only give me how to sell drugs, how to hustle. That's all they could give me, but that was the best that they had. You see what I'm saying? So for me turning out the way I did, you know, it was because I used that information and learned how to make money and got incarcerated for that. You know what I mean? So I don't want you to take those type of chances. I don't want you to go down those roads if you ain't got to. You see what I'm saying? So I want to give you the game because I learned it the hard way. And I paid a price that you don't have to pay. I paid a price that I didn't want to pay. You see what I'm saying? But I paid it. So when I give you this game, or I say something, or I give you some encouragement, man, it's only to open up your mind. Only to help you get over that hump. Because who knows? That might be all you need to change your life. And if my life wasn't a waste, and I used my life to help someone else increase theirs, then I feel like I did my job. You know? Who cares that I didn't have a father? You know what I mean? Who cares that, you know, I had to go spend a decade of my life in prison? But I helped someone. And what they did changed things. That's why I'm doing this.